Return to peak performance and increase safety with our Sandvik Reborn solution. Sandvik Reborn use pre-engineered kits to rebuild your machines. Produced in our factories, these kits are shipped to your local workshop facility to restore your equipment to its original condition. This TH663i was recently rebuilt using our Reborn solution in Mackay, Australia. First, Sandvik specialist technicians complete a comprehensive inspection of the condition of the machine. Then, repair or replacement of components using quality original equipment manufacturer OEM parts. We can even apply latest improvements and upgrades to your unit. Using the pre-assembled kits, we follow factory best practice and optimize throughput time. The Reborn provides a new machine warranty and technical support from Sandvik experts for its next life cycle. With a Sandvik Reborn, servicing is done to the highest standards, to the exact machine specifications. As original manufacturers, we have access to original machine drawings and have unmatched understanding of how your equipment should operate. Sandvik, a productivity partner you can rely on.